Okay, so in example 1, we evaluated our function g at input equals to 3, and we got 11. And in example 2 here, we solved for our input value when f of x gives us an output value of 2. Okay, let's take a look at 2 more examples. So let's say we have an ordered pair where we're given the output 1/2, and we're given a function w or omega of theta equals theta plus 1 divided by 2. So since we're given the output here, we're going to solve for the input theta that gives us w of theta equal to 1/2. So our output is w of theta, and we're told it's 1/2, so we'll put parentheses around where w of theta is and fill in the rest. And now we're just going to replace w of theta with the output that's given to us, 1/2. And then we'll solve for theta. So we'll multiply both sides here by 2. 1/2 times 2 is 1. If I multiply this whole side by 2, I just get theta plus 1. If I subtract 1 from both sides, on the left side I get 0. On the right side I get theta. So theta equals 0. That is our input value for output equal to 1/2. And then let's do one more example. I'll go ahead and move over here. We have an ordered pair where the input is -1, and we're given a function h of k equals k to the 100th power plus 1 all squared. And now we're given this input value of -1, so we're trying to evaluate this function at k equals -1 to determine the output. So wherever I see a k, I'll replace it with parentheses. And now I can just plug in -1 for k, or where I have the parentheses there. And now we simplify. -1 to the 100th power, -1 to any even power is going to give you +1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and we're squaring that, so we get 4. So when we evaluate h of k at k equals -1, we get an output of 4.